guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do something a little different, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I make my own personal shakes every single morning. Now, we make a lot of fun shakes here with a lot of fancy flavors and all that stuff, but let me tell you, the Herbalife shakes are so good all by themselves. So here's what I do every morning. I just take our shaker cup and some really cold water. The colder the water, the better for a shake like this. You always put the water in your cup first. So I'm gonna put in about 10 ounces. And depending on what all I put in my shake, I either use 10 or 12 ounces of water. So I've got cold water there. Orange cream is one of my favorite shakes, especially all by itself. So I'm gonna put 2 scoops of my orange cream. And 2 scoops of the vanilla protein base. And now we put the little whisk lid, sits right in there, and screw the cap on, make sure it's tight. And then you just make sure the lid is clicked. And before you start to shake it up and down, you wanna swirl it around a little like this, get water all the way around all the powder. Otherwise, if you start shaking up and down first, some of it gets stuck up in here and then you wind up with a kind of clumpy shake. And that is it. And when I make my shakes this way, you guys, I can literally make my breakfast, drink my breakfast, and have my dishes washed in under 2 minutes. I'm only pouring it in the cup today so you guys could see the thickness and the consistency, and it's so good, just like this. Of course, if you're making any of the flavored shakes with some of the extra flavorings, you can totally just put all of those right into your shaker cup and shake those up also. But this is what I do every morning.